Imagine this, you're sitting in a quiet forest, the sun filtering through the leaves, the sound of birds chirping in the distance. You take a deep breath and suddenly, the weight of the world feels a little lighter. What if I told you that this simple connection with nature could be one of the most effective ways to manage anxiety? In today's video, we're going to explore how spending time outdoors can act as a natural chill pill for your mind and body, helping to reduce anxiety and improve overall mental health. 1. The science behind nature's healing power. Let's start with the basics. Why does nature have such a calming effect on us? The answer lies in our biology. Humans have evolved to feel most at ease in natural environments. When we're outside, our bodies respond positively to the sights, sounds, and smells of nature. This isn't just a feeling, there's actual science behind it. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, which is the hormone associated with stress. It also reduces blood pressure and heart rate and promotes the production of serotonin, the feel-good chemical in the brain. These physiological changes help to alleviate the physical symptoms of anxiety, such as tension, headaches, and fatigue. But it's not just about what's happening in our bodies. Nature also gives our minds a break from the constant stimulation of modern life. Away from the noise of traffic, screens, and social media, our brains can relax and reset. This mental break is crucial for reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of peace. 2. Walking in the park. Simple yet effective. One of the easiest ways to start incorporating nature into your routine is by taking a walk in the park. It sounds almost too simple, but a daily walk surrounded by trees and greenery can have profound effects on your mental health. Walking is a form of moderate exercise, which in itself is known to reduce anxiety by releasing endorphins, another feel-good chemical. But when you combine walking with a natural setting, the benefits multiply. The rhythmic movement of walking paired with the calming environment helps to clear your mind, reduce negative thoughts, and improve your mood. Plus, it's an easy habit to build into your day. Whether it's during your lunch break, after work, or on weekends, a walk in the park can be a powerful tool in managing anxiety. 3. Hiking. Taking it to the next level. If you're looking to deepen your connection with nature, consider hiking. Hiking offers all the benefits of walking, but with an added sense of adventure. The varying terrain and longer distances challenge your body and engage your mind, making it a great way to escape from daily stressors. Hiking also allows you to immerse yourself more fully in nature. The sights and sounds of a forest trail, the smell of pine trees, and the feeling of dirt underfoot create a sensory experience that's hard to replicate elsewhere. This immersion helps you stay present, which is key to reducing anxiety. When you're focused on navigating the trail and taking in the beauty around you, it's easier to let go of anxious thoughts. 4. The power of water. Lakes, rivers, and oceans. Water has a unique ability to calm the mind and soothe the soul. Whether it's the rhythmic crashing of ocean waves, the gentle flow of a river, or the stillness of a lake, water environments are incredibly therapeutic. This is why activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, or simply sitting by the water can be so effective in reducing anxiety. There's even a term for this: blue space, which refers to the positive effects that water has on our mental health. Being near water reduces stress, promotes relaxation, and can even improve creativity and focus. The next time you're feeling overwhelmed, try spending some time near water. It might just be the reset you need. 5. Gardening. Cultivating calm. Gardening is another outdoor activity that offers a wealth of mental health benefits. There's something incredibly grounding about working with your hands in the soil, tending to plants, and watching them grow. Gardening allows you to connect with nature in a very personal way, and it's an activity that requires focus and patience, two things that can help reduce anxiety. The repetitive tasks involved in gardening, like planting, weeding, and watering, can be meditative, helping to quiet a racing mind. Plus, gardening gives you a sense of accomplishment as you see the fruits or flowers of your labor, which can boost your mood and self-esteem. Even if you don't have a big backyard, you can still enjoy the benefits of gardening. Container gardening on a balcony or windowsill can be just as rewarding and effective for reducing anxiety. 6. Forest bathing. Immersing yourself in nature. Forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, is a Japanese practice that involves immersing yourself in a forest environment. It's not about hiking or exercising, but rather about simply being in the forest, taking in the surroundings with all your senses. The idea is to slow down and connect deeply with nature, allowing it to wash over you and bring a sense of peace. Studies have shown that forest bathing can significantly reduce anxiety, depression, and stress, while also boosting your immune system. The fresh air, natural scents, and the quiet rustle of leaves create a serene environment that's perfect for relaxation and mindfulness. To try forest bathing, find a quiet spot in the woods or a nearby park, leave your phone behind, and take a slow, mindful walk. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Let yourself be fully present in the moment and feel the stress melt away. 7. Camping. Disconnect to reconnect. If you're looking for a more immersive experience, camping might be the answer. Camping allows you to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature in a profound way. Without the distractions of technology and modern conveniences, you can fully engage with the natural world. Spending a night under the stars, cooking over an open fire, and waking up to the sounds of birds chirping can be incredibly restorative. Camping forces you to slow down, be present, and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. This deep connection with nature can have lasting effects on your mental health, helping to reduce anxiety long after you've returned home. 8. Outdoor mindfulness. Being present in nature. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, and nature is the perfect setting for this. Whether you're walking, sitting, or just observing, practicing mindfulness outdoors can be a powerful way to reduce anxiety. To practice outdoor mindfulness, start by finding a quiet spot in nature. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your lungs. Then slowly open your eyes and begin to notice your surroundings. What do you see, hear, and feel? Try to observe without judgment, simply taking in the beauty of nature around you. By bringing mindfulness into your outdoor activities, you can deepen your connection with nature and enhance its calming effects. 9. Making nature a habit. The key to reaping the benefits of nature is consistency. It's not enough to spend time outdoors once in a while. To truly reduce anxiety, you need to make nature a regular part of your routine. Start by setting aside time each week to engage in outdoor activities that you enjoy, whether it's a daily walk, a weekend hike, or a monthly camping trip. Remember, it's not about how much time you spend in nature, but how you spend it. Even a few minutes of mindful walking in the park can have a significant impact on your mental health. The more you connect with nature, the more you'll notice its calming effects on your mind and body. 10. Final thoughts. Embracing nature's healing power. In a world that's constantly buzzing with activity, it's easy to forget the simple, healing power of nature. But by taking the time to reconnect with the outdoors, you can find a natural remedy for anxiety that's both effective and enjoyable. Whether it's walking in the park, hiking a mountain trail, or simply sitting by a lake, outdoor activities offer a unique opportunity to unwind, distress, and find peace. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that nature's chill pill is just outside your door. Embrace the outdoors and let it help you find the calm and clarity you need to navigate life's challenges.